Progressing from the position we just went through, which would be the both legs up and the arms in the air, sort of the 3-month plus position for the getting our initial sagittal plane stability, getting ready to roll and get more some like rotational transverse plane movements. We've got a couple combinations we can get through. We've got some crisscrosses going from opposite arm to leg, and then we also have some same side stability patterns, which we know as ipsilateral, from same arm to same leg. So one of the ways we can start to train this is with an exercise ball. So when we hold this in the same position as I just had, we can start with just a little bit of an isometric squeeze from each corner, so from each leg and from the arms, either from elbow, or we could also do hand support, whichever one fits best. We can just give like a slight pressure from all those and just feel all these connections hitting same side and crisscrossing through our abdomen to make sure all our connections are present. To double check all of these, we can then like take away an arm and take away a leg to see, do I have this connection coming across the body, and switch back to the other two. Does that connection feel like it's intact, or does something start to give out? Then we could also do same side. I can take away these two. Do I still feel this in touch? And I can do this side. Does everything still feel in touch? So if everything is checklist on that and it's clicking through, we can then add some rocking or rolling side to side. If we have all four together, we can do some slight rolling side to side. It's maybe 20 or 30 degrees going each way. And if you want to get all the way over, we can actually switch to, for example, like a contralateral pattern like this. Roll across onto the side, keeping that gentle pressure, feeling that connection, almost like kind of completing the circuit or completing the loop. Switching to the other side, going across, and like so. We're going ipsilateral, rolling across onto the side, maintaining that pressure as the top arm and leg is stepping forward. We're using also as a support side on the downside, going either way. Cross on the side, back, and coming across this way, and coming back. We can always top it off with just an all fours isometrics, just to put a little more toast on top of it, make sure everything's in line. That'd be good.